Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make mixed dal khichdi. First, gather your ingredients including 4 types of dal and rice. Make sure to wash and soak them for at least 30 minutes. While they soak, chop your onions, tomatoes, ginger, and garlic. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process and delicious results for your comforting meal. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of ghee in your pressure cooker. Once hot, add whole spices such as cumin seeds and a bay leaf, letting them splutter. Then, add your chopped onions and sauté them until they become beautifully golden brown. This step builds the aromatic foundation for your flavorful khichdi, enhancing its overall taste and fragrance. Now add the soaked dal and rice to the cooker, along with turmeric powder and salt to taste. Pour in 4 cups of water. This ratio ensures a perfect consistency. Close the lid and cook for 3 whistles on medium heat. After cooking, let the pressure release naturally before opening. This method guarantees perfectly cooked, soft khichdi every time. Finally, your delicious mixed dal khichdi is ready. Garnish it generously with fresh cilantro and a dollop of ghee for extra richness. Serve it hot with your favorite accompaniments like yogurt, pickle, or crispy papad. It's a wholesome and comforting meal perfect for any day. Also, be sure to check the description below for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.